The Devil's Chimney waterfall is located on the Sligo-Leitrim border in the Glencar Valley. The valley has a wide variety of plants and animals. Both the lands above the trail and the lake are designated as a special area of conservation due to their own rich ecological value. At 492 feet, 150 meters, the waterfall is listed on the World Waterfall Database as Ireland's tallest waterfall. It does not flow during dry weather conditions. When the wind blows from the south, the waterfall is blown upward and back over the cliff from which it falls, hence the name. Parking space near the trail is very limited, it can fit 5-6 cars. Hiking boots are necessary if you are going to get very close to the waterfall. Enjoy the rest of the video and thank you for watching.